Ukrainian border guards, killed Thursday while defending a strategic Black Sea island, gave a defiant final message to the invading Russian military, according to an audio recording of the incident. The 13 guards, stationed at the remote Zmini or Snake Island, some 40 kilometers from the borders of Moldova and Romania, were informed by a Russian warship that they should surrender or be hit with a bomb strike. A Ukrainian border guard, responding to the message, said, "Russian warship, go f yourself." The audio recording, first obtained by Ukrainian news outlet Ukrainska Pravda, has since been confirmed as authentic by Ukraine's Interior Ministry, according to CNN and The Independent. The guards were hailed as heroes by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Zelensky said in a video address that 137 heroes had been killed and 316 people wounded since the Russian invasion began on Thursday. The dead included the 13 border guards who refused to surrender as the island was taken over by Russians, the Ukraine Foreign Ministry said. They would be posthumously awarded Hero of Ukraine medals, Zelensky added. 2 Russian vessels approached the island on Thursday after Russia President Vladimir Putin declared the start of an invasion at dawn. Proposed to put down arms immediately to avoid bloodshed and unjustified deaths, the ship called via loudspeakers. "In worst case, you will be hit with a bomb strike. I am repeating," they said, according to a translation by CNN. 2 Ukrainian guards are heard engaging in a brief exchange. "Should I tell them to go f themselves?" before responding, "Russian warship, go f yourself."
Все. Или нахуй тоже надо.
На всякий случай.
नफरतों का बाजार, सपनों का कारोबार जारी है। अच्छे दिन तो झांकी थे, अमृतकाल अब बाकी है। मन की बात आप तक पहुंचती है, लेकिन आपकी आवाज का क्या? जिन्हें लोकतंत्र का चौथा स्तंभ कहते थे, वे अब सत्ता की गोद में हैं, सत्ता के सामने नतमस्तक हैं। लेकिन अब भी कुछ आवाजें हैं, बेखौफ, बेबाक, जिन पर लोगों को भरोसा है। चेहरा बदला है, तेवर वही है। देखिए मुझे, सतीश शाह को HWD न्यूज़ पर।